In my last video, I mentioned some of the evergreen meme coins that you can buy, like Pepe, Brat, and that's pretty much it. And one of them was Bobo. Yeah, what the fuck is that thing? So I thought, let's talk about this one. Yay, kids, come around. We're gonna talk about Bobo the Bear. Yay. So, this thing, which went down 15% since yesterday, so it's 15% off, you can get even more for your money, is at a market cap of 120 million, so it's a medium cap coin. Why is that important? Any of the medium cap stuff tends to do this over here. Wow, price goes up, aren't we happy? That's a big number. And I think when the next leg up happens for any type of meme coin, this will be one of the few that people stick to, people with a community around, and Ben with 66 trillion, 400 something billion, and all those 4 million billion and so on, we will reach a market cap of probably 500 mil. It shouldn't be that difficult. I think there's something like a somewhat guaranteed 5x in here. However, you need to buy the shit on Ethereum. I don't like it. I don't like gas fees. Do you like gas fees? I don't like gas fees. And at the height of last Borum, I think some meme coins cost like $200 something just in gas fees. That's insane. So if you don't invest at least like 1k in here, this might not even be worth it. Right now it's a lot cheaper, but there's also less hype surrounding these. And they're so volatile, and they can go up and down by like 50% in a day. You might want to pay the expensive gas fees just to get out of this. Now they are available on Gate, MEXC, and a couple other exchanges. And I have to say, despite this being a retarded bear, and it says, let's get this honey, it's not that bad. It's also an OKX about Ben, but the bear's a meme character associated with bear markets. Oh no. And soon we're gonna have probably Bam Bam the Ball. Was chosen in June 2018, and that has been 6 years since. 4chan people, the special kind of retard as I call them, they have influence, power, and they understand being dumb with money more than anybody else. 8% of all centralized exchanges, 69 billion total supply, trillion is that true? I think it is. 0% tax, wow, funny numbers. You can read the numbers for yourself. So you have great pictures behind this. If you want to be this Bobo over here with an eviction notice, you can be. Guys, do you like crack? You could be this one. Wow, look, rainbow chart. Yeah, everybody likes rainbows. So I think this on a level where I would even say for meme coins it's not just dumb or stupid, this is like next level retard level, and that's good. The reason why it's good is the dumber the idea of the meme, the more hype surrounding this, the higher the chance it goes up. And that's why I decided to follow them on Twitter. Well, all good rumors are true if the target remains for billions. If this performs similar to Pepe, which went to I think 6 billion at the peak, now it's at like 4 or 5. This can easily 5, 10, 15 ads in here. So if you want to be smart with your stupid money and turn it into something that hopefully gets a big multiplier, this might be one of them. It's always difficult to say for meme coins because I don't know about the team. I don't know about Devlance. I know that they post those pictures. Great. So, yeah. It's hard to say. If you understand idiots and you understand meme culture, this is good. If you look at this from any other point of view, like investment points of view and quality and all of, being smart, this doesn't make any sense. This is complete shit. However, stupid money goes up. Look, Gate, Bobo, not bad, not bad. Come fact, you can pay your way into exchanges. I didn't know that, but apparently you just message them when they give you a quota. Volume is down quite a lot. I think if you look at the peak and then market cap, great, there's no data. If we could sort by volume, which might be an option, I think this trades at like 20-30% of market cap in volume on a daily basis once meme coin hype goes back. Now after Chopper Biden talked yesterday, it didn't really affect the market that well. I mean, we're still at 60k Bitcoin, but once Trump says, old man, go away, and we have alt season happening with all the meme coins going up by quite a lot, then we can all be happy. Look, Hippie is smiling. This could be us at $5 billion if we put our money in Bobo. I don't think there's anything else to say, but here's my meme coin review in one sentence. Bobo the Bear, there's a great coin that you should put your money in right now.